Elevate your Webflow dropdowns with a dynamic arrow that speaks volumes. Let's dive into making your dropdown arrows more engaging first. Ensure you have your dropdown element set up in your Webflow project. Select your main dropdown wrapper. This is the container that holds your dropdown trigger and its content. Next, we want to add an arrow icon to your dropdown trigger. Click Add Element and search for Icon. Then select an arrow icon of your choice. Place it inside your dropdown trigger. You should now see your arrow inside the button or link that triggers your dropdown. Now let's give our arrow a unique class name. Select the arrow icon, and in the element settings, create a new class, perhaps calling it Dropdown Arrow. This class will be our animation target. With the Dropdown Arrow class selected, head over to the Styles panel. We're going to animate its rotation. Find the Transform section and click the plus icon next to Rotate. To create the interactive effect, we'll animate this rotation when the dropdown is open in the Styles panel. Click the interaction icon next to the class name, then select the dropdown open trigger. Now we set up our animation for the initial state. The arrow is at 0 degrees rotation when the dropdown opens. Let's set its rotation to 180 degrees. You can adjust this to your preference for a subtle or more pronounced effect. For a smooth transition, adjust the duration. A slight delay or a longer duration can greatly impact the feel. Play with 3 to 5 seconds for a natural look. Hit preview and see your arrow come to life. As you open and close your dropdown, the arrow will gracefully rotate, providing instant visual feedback to your users. This small animation adds a professional polish, making your interactive elements more intuitive and delightful to use. Happy designing!